Welcome to the 12 Days of Edtech. This is day 2, how to make a live leaderboard for your classroom. Check it out. All right, the first thing that we're going to want to do is go to flippity.net. We're going to use flippity.net for our leaderboard that's going to be live and interactive that you could post on your websites, or you could just share out a URL that stays current and live so students can follow along as points are earned. So at flippity.net, there are tons of different ways that you could use Google Sheets to make your classroom come alive. Between a quiz show, random name picker, randomizer, scavenger hunt, Connecto game, bingo boards, timelines, all that good stuff. But today we're going to pay attention to the Flippity leaderboard. The first thing that you're going to do here is you're going to go to the instructions. When you click on the instructions, it's going to tell you exactly how this live scoreboard is going to be made. And what you're going to do is click on the template. Go ahead and click on the template, and this is going to come up. It's going to give you a copy of their template where they have placeholders already. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is go in and edit the names. I would put team names here if we're working with teams, and then edit the events up here. So you can call this whatever you want. Put a description in any multimedia. Once they hand in these projects, you would give them scores down here. So what I'm going to do is I am going to bring over a copy of the template that I adjusted. So I did not fill in the multi-link links or any of that in there, but I did give you some general descriptions, and I made team 1 through team 15, and then I added the different points there. When you are done filling out your scores, what you will do is you'll go to File, Publish to the Web, and then you're going to just publish everything. Because I already have it published, I'm not going to be able to publish again, but right there you can see the publish button, which would normally be blue. When you're done with that, you're going to go down to the second tab down here. So we worked off our leaderboard. Now we're going to get the link here. And you have to publish before this is going to work. But right here is our link. We're going to go ahead and click on that, and it's going to bring up our Flippity leaderboard. And as you can see, based on the scores, you can see who's in first, who's in last, all that good stuff. But as we add scores, by going back to the spreadsheet, this would automatically adjust. So this is how you make a Flippity live interactive scoreboard for your classroom.